Lag in VR can ruin an otherwise amazing experience. So let's get you running smoother right away. If you're jumping into Half-Life Alyx, Beat Saber, or using VR for work, stutters and frame drops can break immersion fast. The good news? You can fix most of it with a few quick tweaks inside Steam itself, no complicated mods or extra software. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. Make sure you're already signed in, and if not, just use your usual login info and head to your homepage. Once you're in, go straight to your library. This is where every game and tool you own lives, including Steam VR. Scroll through and find Steam VR in the list. When you see it, right-click the title to bring up a small menu. Choose Properties. This is the control panel for everything performance-related. Inside Properties, look over to the left and click Betas. This section usually flies under the radar, but it's a game changer. Steam often tests performance improvements and optimizations in beta before rolling them out to everyone. In the drop-down menu, select the option that says something like Steam VR Beta Update. Once you choose it, Steam will immediately begin downloading whatever updates are part of that beta branch. Let that finish installing. Don't worry, it usually doesn't take long, and then you're ready to launch Steam VR again. These beta builds often include bug fixes and performance tweaks that haven't made it to the standard release, which can instantly reduce lag, improve frame pacing, and smooth out tracking issues. After the update, open Steam VR and take it for a spin. You should notice smoother head tracking, fewer hitches, and better responsiveness. If you're still dealing with heavy lag after this, pairing this update with obvious fixes like closing background apps, updating GPU drivers, or lowering supersampling can stack the improvements even more. But for a lot of people, just switching to the beta alone makes a huge difference. If this helped tighten things up and made your VR time feel way smoother, stick around for more 2025 ready fixes and guides. And if there's another issue you want solved, drop it in the comments and I'll cover it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your lag-free VR sessions.